My name is Agnes and I've got 3 jobs. I work as a cleaner and I work 68 hours a week. Every day, every night, 7 days. I work so much hours because I love my grandchildren. I've got 4 grandchildren now and it's a blessing for me. I need to see them and give them money for them for the school to pay their fees. I'm saving my money as well for my retirement, if I'm still alive and kicking, you know. I need a life. I don't have a life. I only work and go to sleep and get up and come to work. I get paid $15, $25 an hour. And if I had a living wage, it would be good for me to live in a better life.